When me a talk about life changes, remember this man have a dream about this.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat everyone. And you done see how we kick out the Saturday evening. You're well vibey and well spicy. Hot news well for the people them. So we just there go and listen to some Skeng and go and listen to some Jahshii my people. So before me even start off the vlog, I'm going a couple more seconds of the track there.
But flip on me younger the best. Just my dog give it.
Yeah my people. So it real my people. Sting is here. Sting is here the 26th of December and it is booked. Jahshii and Skeng is booked people. So anybody who always wants to see that clash there, gear up on yourself because it has been confirmed. Alright? And you don't know people, I can't go on a piece of Skeng and don't go on a piece of Jahshii, so I could go and vibe to look at Jahshii there. Alright my people, I'm jumping at the update phone now. Yes people, it has been confirmed and I'm gonna drop the official information, the official story on the screen here for you so you can follow through and you'll be able to see what's happening. But it has been confirmed for the 26th of December people. Sting, Jahshii and Skeng clash live for people to see. Alright, and you can stream it online, and who want to go see it in person, you don't know me a vlog and I have to get it up front and personal, so I got it out with my camera. Alright people, so yeah, you can see the information on the screen here, and it's no joke thing because if you read even the notes on the screen, it's telling you that the fans, there was a lot of skepticism around this because people were saying that, you know, Sting is just a bag of chattings basically, because how much years them put it off, and everybody say oh this year just gonna be, you know, one more year when time Sting I go just put off and now go on. But people, you can see say Sting I come back bigger and better, and them tell you say them incorporate a lot of younger artists, and them keep few older artists in there too as well people, so them not phase out the old people them all together, but them just make on the know say this year you can look out for a lot of younger artists, and them tell the people them say if you bus already, when you get on the stage performance up, cause you know say Sting is not a joke thing. So people don't know, all of the Jahshii fans them, all of the Skeng fans them, who remember know, who wanna feel about this, remember know, wanna think, who wanna feel like I gotta take the clash, who wanna feel like I gotta take the clash. Jaja fall rain, I'm tell you about gunmanship. You see what I say, who gotta take the clash people? Yeah, but anyway, yes I'm gonna jump off in the people, so just remember know, wanna think about it and all of that. Bless up, you don't know before me jump off, I beg everybody just bust a like, bust a share and a subscribe on the channel here. Big up Jamaican Chat.